Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to drain the antifreeze, the coolant on a Volkswagen Jetta. This one will be the 4th generation MK4, so that should cover years from 1999 all the way until 2005. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. So what you need to do, guys, first you need to go on the passenger side. You need to jack up the right side all the way in the air. You need to put it on jack stand, never rely on the jack itself. And you need to go after that to the driver's side. Doing by jacking up that left side, the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to make it tilted that way, so all the coolant will come right here, and that's where the valve is. So all we have to do is just turn it by hand, open it, okay, and they tend to get stuck a little bit, but you open it and then you pull it out. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to go and remove the cap on the coolant reservoir right here, because right now there is a lot of vacuum in the system and it's not going to come out. And once you do that, you see how fast the coolant will come out and it will flush the system. Okay, so it's going to take you probably about 2-3 minutes to empty the whole system. And after that, what you need to do, you need to go ahead, push on the valve and turn it clockwise now to the right and get it tight, make sure it's not leaking. And now that's how you drain the coolant out of a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf 4th generation. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We have a new video on our channel every day. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.